Hey everybody, welcome back to Idea Empire, where smart ideas turn into real income. Tired of hearing the same business ideas over and over? Here are 20 unique and forward-thinking new business ideas you can launch in 2025, even on a small budget. Want a step-by-step launch plan? Watch our video next on how to start your own small business from home today. Let's dive in. Number 1. Upcycled Furniture Studio. Turn discarded furniture into designer pieces. Sell locally or online with a sustainability twist. Number 2. Virtual Reality Experience Rentals. Offer VR setups for parties, therapy, or corporate events. Rent the gear and provide the experience. Number 3. Pet Wellness Subscriptions. Monthly boxes with healthy treats, supplements, and grooming products tailored to pet health. Number 4. Mobile Microgreen Farms. Grow nutrient-packed greens in a van or trailer and deliver them to local restaurants and homes. Number 5. AI-powered resume builder. Create a smart tool that writes and formats resumes based on user input and job descriptions. Number 6. Vintage tech repair shop. Repair retro gear, old radios, Game Boys, typewriters, and ride the nostalgia wave. Number 7. Zero-waste refill stations. Set up mobile or in-store refill stations for shampoo, cleaning products, and pantry staples. Number 8. Custom 3D printed jewelry. Design personalized rings, pendants, or earrings using 3D printing and sell online or at markets. Number 9. Virtual fitness for seniors. Offer low-impact workouts tailored to older adults, live or pre-recorded classes via Zoom. Number 10. Eco-friendly kids party planning. Plan fun, sustainable parties using reusable decor, compostable items, and plant-based treats. Number 11. Drone photography for small events. Provide affordable aerial photos and videos for birthdays, proposals, and community events. Number 12. Subscriptions home organization kits. Send monthly kits with tools and guides to declutter one part of the home at a time. Number 13. Artisanal mushroom growing. Grow gourmet mushrooms at home and sell to chefs, farmers markets, or subscription boxes. Number 14. Voiceover services for e-learning. Lend your voice to courses, tutorials, and explainer videos. Perfect for freelancers. Number 15. Portable podcast studios for rent. Equip a van or room with quality mics and soundproofing. Rent it out by the hour to podcasters. Number 16. Handmade natural candle workshops. Host DIY candle-making classes using beeswax, essential oils, and eco-friendly packaging. Number 17. Digital nomad retreats. Plan co-working getaways for remote workers in scenic locations with fast Wi-Fi and community vibes. Number 18. Ethical fashion rental service. Rent out high-quality clothing made by ethical brands, perfect for conscious consumers. Number 19. AI chatbot setup for small businesses. Help local businesses automate FAQs, bookings, or support with custom chatbot solutions. Number 20. Pop-up plant nurseries. Set up short-term rare plant shops in empty retail spaces or markets. There you go! 20 smart and unique new business ideas for 2025. Which one would you start? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.